Greetings, this is Mark Weithorn here, your real estate trainer with your 2-minute tech tip. This video is step 2 on how to make money as a realtor. A positive cash flow is the most important part of any business. You want to make a profit so you can pay your bills. The easiest way to start generating income is to start doing rentals. Rentals are fast dollars. Although rental commissions can vary in different parts of the country, here in South Florida, the typical commission on a rental is 1 month's rent. Now you will be splitting this with a listing agent, but it's still good money. Let's look at the math. If a property rents for $2,500, the full gross commission, that is before your broker gets their split, is $2,500. You will split that with the listing agent, leaving you with a gross commission of $1,250. You do 1 rental a week, and you can earn about $45,000 a year. The best place to advertise rentals is Facebook Marketplace. First, talk to your broker and get permission to advertise the company's listings. Most brokers say yes. Next, go to the MLS and look up a listing. Start copying the photos to your desktop. Next, go to Facebook Marketplace. Click on Create a new listing and start inputting the information about that listing. Try to upload 1 or 2 listings a day. This will get your phone ringing. One tip I tell all my students is to use a mouse. It's hard to copy and paste with your fingers and a trackpad. Now, the rules in sales is 1 in 10. For every 10 phone calls you get, 1 will be good. Your job is to pre-qualify each phone call. In a nice, friendly manner, talk to these people, ask them about themselves and where they are looking to live. You cannot ask them if they have children, equal housing laws, but you can ask them how many people will be living there. Do they need to be near any schools or work? Do they have any pets, etc.? If you think they're a viable client, then arrange to meet them and show them 6 properties. Do not email them properties ahead of time because now they don't need you. This will take some practice, but in time you can make a nice living doing rentals. Add in a few sales every year, and you're on your way to being a successful realtor. Lastly, let's talk about renewals. You do a rental, a year later they renew. Are you entitled to the commission on the renewals? It depends. It depends on 2 things. First, if it's in the contract, and then if you follow up. If it's in the contract that you're entitled to the commission on the renewals and you don't follow up, do you think the other realtor is going to mail you a check? Set up a reminder in your calendar to contact the tenant 10 months after they move in. You will have to call or text them 6 times. You do 40 rentals this year, you will do 20 renewals next year. Some will renew, some will rent elsewhere, and some will buy. Today's renter is tomorrow's buyer. Well, that's it for step 2. Please stay tuned for step 3 on how to start your real estate business. My name is Mark Weithorn with Showcase Websites. We have been creating websites for realtors for close to 20 years now. You can visit us at dpishowcase.com, and please remember to subscribe and like my YouTube channel to get updated videos. Thank you for listening to my 2-minute tech tip, and have a great day.